Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. This is the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. We start here with chapstick. Today I'm going to do another IG challenge. Actually, it's the same one. It was to represent your football team colors. And if you or someone you don't know doesn't watch football, then you can represent your high school colors. Well, I dropped out of high school, got my GED. And so I did one with my high school colors, even though I dropped out and got my GED. And then I did a look with my bachelor's degree colors. This one is going to be my doctorate degree colors, which is black and red. So this will be interesting. And I'm also going to do one with my master's degree colors, which is purple and white. But I really wanted to get the doctorate degree one done because the challenge is due tomorrow, September 18th. Today is the 17th. And so what's more important, your master's or your doctorate, if you happen to have both? The doctorate. And so I'm making sure I'm getting that one in. Foundation, contour, which I overdid on this side. I'm gonna try and fix it later. Bronzer, contour here, bronzer, contour under here, and blush. I have Hourglass Mechanical Gel Pencil in Obsidian, which is black, on my lower waterline already. And I have the Fenty Flypencil on because I'm black under my lower lash line. And I think I got something in my eye. And so I already primed my lids with the Fenty eyeshadow primer. And so this is really going to be interesting because I don't think I've done a black and red look. And I'm also going to use MAC's Blacktrack Fluidline as a base for the black shadow. I don't think I've ever done that before. Not like on this level. So what I'm going to use for the black is from Scott Barnes Natural #1 palette. And we're going to use Sin, which is this black, and it's a matte black. And for the red, I'm going to go into, sorry if I shook, the Viseart Mattes, the Viseart Warm Mattes 10 palette, and we're going to use shade 12, this last shade right here, which is, of course, red. So I'm nervous as usual. I didn't set my foundation. I didn't put on any powders because I don't know if I'm going to have to go in and tidy up with concealer underneath. So we're going to jump in with MAC's Blacktrack Fluidline. I'm going to do one eye at a time because I don't know how quick this is going to set. And so I probably should have primed one eye, and I'm talking because I'm nervous. So yeah, we are definitely experimenting. I probably should use the smaller brush. I don't know if I should just do this like all over the lid. And this idea, I see Natasha use her cream shadows as a base, and so I thought, do I need to get her eyeliners to use as a base, or can I just use what I have? And so I think I tried it with the brown MAC's Fluidline and Dip Down. Is that what it's called? Yes, the one in brown, and I put a shadow over it, and it looked nice. And so I'm like, okay. But this is my first time using black, and like this is already intense. And because I have puffy eyes, I don't want to get the black all the way up here. I want to be able to blend it up there. And so, and of course, I don't have the right brushes out. We're going to use this one because it's a dense brush. Actually, we're not. We're going to use this brush here, which is an old time Sephora brush. You can tell because of the silver handle, and this is actually made for cream shadow. Oh, this is drying already. Oh Lord. And I don't know what it's going to do when it dries. Like, I don't know if it's going to get flaky when I'm trying to blend it or what. Oh, it is dry. It is dry because I wanted to avoid a harsh line for when I do put the black. Well, you know what? Since that is set, we're just going to go into the other eye because I didn't think it was going to set that quick, but it did. So let's just do this one. We're going to take that black, this here, with just a flat brush, and I'm going to, kick up and tap off. Let's pat this on top. I meant to do like on an angle and have like the black here and like taper it down, like sort of how you do a wing liner, which I have not mastered how to do that. But I ended up, as you see, just taking it all over my entire lid. And I'm going to blend the black shadow up into the crease. I like this. I know now how fast that Fluidline dries. This could just be the look, just a one and done. I am liking it. I do want to take the black up. I'm turning the brush sideways to go back and forth because I do want to blend it up some more. We're going to also take that black shade, that same black shade, with a pencil brush. This is a Make It Forever brush. And we're going to put that on our lower lash line on top of that black liner. We're going to pick up the Viseart Warm Mattes 10 palette, this red shade here in the corner. Scott Barnes brush. We're going to dip that in. We're going to coat both sides of the brush. And we're just going to run that right here. So this is actually covering up where the brush skipped earlier. I need more shadow on here. And we're only going like 2/3 of the way over. I think I'm gonna have to switch brushes. This side I came down too far. So let me bring this one down. Try and even it up. I'm gonna bring this over without adding any additional shadow on the brush because I don't want this really dark in here. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, a small fluffy brush, and we're going to dip into that same red. And we're going to go in small circular motions to blend this out. And also windshield wiper motions. I'm going to go back into that red really lightly. I'm going to dip back into the red. And I'm going to go over top of where that black line meets the red. Dipping back into the red. I'm on the line of the black and the red and doing small circular motions. I'm trying to blend that out so that it doesn't look so harsh. Dipping back into the red. Dipping back into the red. Now we're going to take a clean smudger. This was the one with the black. This is the one we're going to dip back into that red. And we're going to put that in the center. Ooh. You know what? I'm going to just come all the way over. Whatever's left on the brush, I did not dip back in. Oh. Yeah. A brush with no shadow on it at all. And we're just going to buff. Ah. I like this. I wish I had like red contacts. Wiping off some chapstick. What am I looking for? I'm going to take some concealer. Concealer brush. The foundation I used today was the 4-in-2 Spiced Sand. Estee Lauder, of course. Double wear. That was my dryer. Double wear, stay in place makeup. And I'm excited for the lips, y'all, because of the Bronx from Ofra. Yes, this is, I like this look. So this is how we start, like a mustache on the lips. I am digging it. I am digging it. But I'm also, sorry for the clanking, I'm also going to take Mina from Ofra. Thumbs up for clean nose. I'm thinking like, do I even need mascara? Because this is already like, I'm digging it. Digging it. Do I want to do mascara? For giggles, yeah, let's just do mascara. I'm not going to do the Sills Boost. I don't even know if this is going to make a difference, the mascara, because everything is already so dark. I love it. I can't even see my lashes. The finished look. I don't even care that I went ham on the contour right now because I'm just like, this front view right here. Yeah. And when I smile, it doesn't look so bad. But then when I don't smile, you see how it's real too dark down there. But I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely going to do this again one day. Thank you, ladies, so much. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this look. I am loving it. I'm loving the lip. I'm loving... I'm going to go because I'm going to babble because I'm just kind of like feeling myself right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.